In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect X shape in Miro. We'll start by opening Miro in your browser. From your dashboard, create something new so you're working on a fresh canvas and choose a board. A blank board gives you plenty of space so you can zoom in or out and position the view where you want the X to appear. If your canvas feels too zoomed in, scroll out a bit so you can clearly see the area where you'll draw. Next, look to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and open the Shapes and Lines menu. This is where Miro keeps its basic drawing tools. Select the Line tool. When it's active, your cursor will change to indicate you're ready to draw a straight line. If you don't see the menu right away, hover over the toolbar and it will expand. To create the first stroke of the X, position your cursor near the top left area of your intended shape. Press and hold the Shift key, then click and drag diagonally toward the bottom right. Holding Shift constrains the angle, making it much easier to get a perfectly straight 45-degree line. Keep an eye on the subtle guides that appear. Miro's smart snapping helps you maintain a clean diagonal. Release your mouse to place the line, and then release Shift. That order matters because it preserves the constrained angle while you finish the drag. Now repeat the process for the second stroke. With the Line tool still selected, move your cursor to the top right area of the shape you're aiming for. Again, press and hold Shift, click, and drag diagonally down to the bottom left. Try to have the second line intersect the first one right at the midpoint. You'll often see alignment hints that confirm you're crossing the center. Release the mouse first, then release Shift. You should now see a crisp, symmetrical X. If you want the X to stand out more, consider adjusting the line appearance using the formatting options above the canvas. Increasing the stroke weight or choosing a contrasting color can make the X easier to spot in a busy board. For consistency, apply the same style to both lines. If you plan to move or resize the X later, it can help to keep both lines together visually. Just remember where they intersect and move them as a pair to maintain symmetry. And that's it. You've created a perfect X in Miro using the Line tool and the Shift key for precision. Thanks for watching and enjoy building clean, accurate shapes in your boards.